And neighbors will never forget the day Officer Amy Caprio died after she was run over while on duty in Baltimore County. Several of them took the witness stand in the trial of her accused killer. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren live at the Circuit Courthouse in Towson following the testimony. Mike.
Rick, prosecutors took the jury on that fateful day, that tragic day when Officer Caprio was killed. The jurors saw surveillance video and also items recovered from the stolen Jeep. Jurors saw pictures of Officer Amy Caprio's blood staining the pavement where she was run over by a stolen Jeep. As prosecutors called more than 20 witnesses while they built their case against 17-year-old Dawnta Harris, who's charged with the officer's murder.
This young man did not intend to hit this officer. In fact, he didn't even know he had hit her.
Whether Harris intended to hit Officer Caprio won't matter if her death happened in the commission of a felony. And prosecutors are trying to tie the teen and 3 other young men to a string of home break-ins underway when Caprio was fatally injured. The state alleges Harris was the getaway driver in the Jeep, waiting while his friends ransacked homes. Several people who had their houses burglarized took the witness stand.
The question becomes whether or not they can lasso him into these burglaries, thus felony murder.
Jurors already saw Officer Caprio's graphic body-worn camera video showing the moment she was hit. The defense replayed it in court Wednesday. It was so painful for Caprio's loved ones, many of them got up and left the courtroom.
There's no evidence in this case that gives us grave concern.
While defense attorneys criticized Officer Caprio for being too aggressive in the encounter, fellow officers and supervisors have praised her as a dedicated cop.
She was the kind of officer that was going to go up in this organization and lead.
And prosecutors are not allowed to bring up Harris's troubled past, including that he was on electronic monitoring at the time of this incident. Reporting from the Circuit Courthouse in Towson, Mike Helgren, WJZ.